Hey Infinity people, my name's Frank Valente and I'm the hand drumming instructor. I'm sad that I don't get to do my African drumming classes for the next few weeks, so instead I'll be bringing you bucket drumming videos. Enjoy! In these tutorials, I will be using just a simple bucket. Bucket drumming or street drumming makes use of many different sounds. You can use any found sound for street drumming, including a simple wooden spoon and a pan from the dishwasher. Wait! Probably not a good idea to use the best pan in the house. Try something a little older. There you go. The recycling bin is another great place for found sounds. I personally like these old tomato sauce cans. I can scrape a chopstick across them to get this guiro sound, and even hit the top of them. You can find new sounds anywhere in your house, not just the kitchen. The key is to pick up something, tap it, or hit it softly with something. If it makes a cool sound, add it to your collection.